McCance Huether's Pathophysiology, the biologic basis for disease in adults and children, stands as a foundational text in the field of medical education, widely recognized for its comprehensive and authoritative approach to understanding the complex mechanisms behind human disease. This book, now in its latest edition, has become a trusted resource for students, educators, and healthcare professionals who seek to grasp the intricate interplay of biological processes that underlie health and illness. At its core, the book delves into the essential principles of pathophysiology, which is the study of how normal physiological processes are altered in the presence of disease. It systematically explores the biological basis of a wide array of conditions affecting adults and children, presenting up-to-date scientific information in a clear and engaging manner. The text begins by grounding readers in the fundamentals of cellular biology, teaching how cells function in health and how their dysfunction can set the stage for disease. It then builds on this foundation by exploring genetic and environmental factors, immune responses, inflammation, and tissue repair, illustrating how these elements contribute to the development and progression of disease. One of the defining features of McCance Huether's pathophysiology is its commitment to integrating the latest scientific discoveries with clinical relevance. Each chapter is meticulously organized to guide readers through the progression from the basic science of disease mechanisms to their manifestations in clinical practice. The book covers a broad spectrum of topics, including disorders of the cardiovascular, respiratory, nervous, endocrine, gastrointestinal, and musculoskeletal systems, as well as conditions affecting the skin, blood, and immune system. For each system, the authors provide comprehensive explanations of normal anatomy and physiology before delving into common and uncommon disorders, elucidating how disruptions in normal function lead to clinical symptoms and complications. Special attention is given to the unique aspects of pediatric pathophysiology, recognizing that children are not simply small adults, but have distinct physiological characteristics and disease patterns. The book highlights differences in disease presentation, progression, and treatment between children and adults, ensuring that readers develop a nuanced understanding of age-related variations in pathophysiology. This dual focus equips healthcare professionals to provide more effective and compassionate care across the lifespan. Throughout the text, the authors employ a variety of pedagogical tools to enhance learning and retention. Clear illustrations and diagrams help visualize complex processes, while detailed tables summarize key information for quick reference. Case studies and clinical examples are woven into each chapter, bridging the gap between theory and practice and helping readers develop critical thinking skills essential for clinical decision-making. These real-world scenarios challenge readers to apply their knowledge, fostering a deeper understanding of how pathophysiological concepts translate to patient care. The book's structure is designed to facilitate both self-directed study and classroom learning. Each chapter opens with a list of learning objectives, guiding readers to focus on essential concepts. Key terms are defined and highlighted, reinforcing important vocabulary. At the end of each chapter, review questions and summaries encourage reflection and self-assessment, allowing learners to gauge their understanding and identify areas for further study. In addition to its rich content, the latest edition of McCance Huether's Pathophysiology incorporates updated research findings and clinical guidelines, ensuring that readers have access to the most current knowledge in the field. Advances in genetics, molecular biology, and personalized medicine are seamlessly integrated, reflecting the rapidly evolving landscape of healthcare. The book also addresses the impact of social determinants of health, cultural factors, and healthcare disparities, underscoring the importance of a holistic approach to patient care. For students preparing for exams or healthcare professionals seeking a reliable reference, the book's accessibility is enhanced through multiple formats. It is available in Kindle, hardcover, paperback, and loose-leaf editions, catering to diverse preferences and learning environments. Whether used as a primary textbook in medical, nursing, or allied health programs, or as a reference for clinical practice, McCance Huether's Pathophysiology remains a valuable and versatile resource. Beyond its academic and clinical utility, the book's enduring popularity can be attributed to the expertise and clarity of its authors. Sue E. Huether and Catherine L. McCance, both distinguished educators and researchers, bring decades of experience to the text. Their ability to distill complex scientific concepts into understandable language without sacrificing depth or accuracy makes the book accessible to learners at all levels. The collaborative contributions of subject matter experts across various specialties further enrich the content, ensuring comprehensive and authoritative coverage. Purchasing the book through Amazon offers additional conveniences, such as free and easy returns, secure transactions, and multiple buying options, including new, used, and rental formats. Customers can take advantage of discounts, fast shipping for Prime members, and the assurance of hassle-free customer service. For those seeking budget-friendly options, used copies are available at lower prices, though supplemental materials like access codes or CDs may not always be included. In summary, McCance and Huether's Pathophysiology, the biologic basis for disease in adults and children, is more than just a textbook. It is a trusted companion for anyone embarking on the journey to understand human disease. Its thorough exploration of pathophysiological mechanisms, integration of the latest scientific advances, and emphasis on clinical application make it an indispensable tool for building a solid foundation in medical science. Whether you are a student aspiring to enter the healthcare field, a practicing professional seeking to deepen your knowledge, or an educator guiding the next generation of clinicians, this book offers the insights and clarity needed to master the complexities of pathophysiology and deliver excellent patient care. By investing in McCance and Huether's Pathophysiology, you are choosing a resource that equips you to meet the challenges of modern healthcare with confidence and competence. Its engaging narrative, practical examples, and emphasis on critical thinking will inspire you to not only learn, but to apply your knowledge in meaningful ways. As you progress through its pages, you will gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate balance that sustains health, the vulnerabilities that lead to disease, and the scientific advances that pave the way for better outcomes. This is the power and promise of understanding pathophysiology, a promise fulfilled by the comprehensive and insightful content of this essential text.